Welcome to UCounsel. The Ministry of Attorney General in Ontario has acquired a cloud-based documents sharing platform which can be used by the parties to upload their documents in advance of a hearing. Now, this is different than the electronic filing system that the Ministry of Attorney General has introduced recently. So that system, which we discussed in our previous lecture, is for the filing of documents electronically. This particular system is for the sharing of documents, which will be used at a hearing. We begin with our usual disclaimer that this lecture is not legal advice. If you have any specific questions, you should contact a lawyer or a paralegal or the Law Society of Ontario for a referral. So what is this cloud-based document sharing system? It's called Caseline. It's owned by Thomson Reuters. So again, a reminder that this is not an e-filing system. It is a cloud-based document sharing system. The platform is used simply to upload documents and share documents with the court and other parties in advance of a hearing. And documents must be filed in person or through the Ministry of Attorney General's online platform, which we have discussed in the previous lecture. Only after an event has been created by the court in the Caseline system that the parties will be able to upload the documents. And then once the documents are uploaded, this can be used for in-person hearing or audio or video hearings. There is currently no cost for the user to use the system. It has been introduced as of August 10th. The first 2 weeks is sort of the testing phase. After that, on August 24th, it will be expanded to Toronto Civil Divisional Court, Commercial Estate List, and Bankruptcy Matters. And then the hope is that this Caseline's program will be introduced province-wide by the end of the year. With respect to registration, all parties are required to register to access Caseline. Registration can be done by two ways. First one is by invitation. Parties could be invited by email by the court staff to upload their documents. So once the court staff creates a case in the court system, then they will send invitations to the parties to register if they have not already been registered. And that is why one of the requirements now is whenever you are filing documents with the court, you must provide your email address. Whether you're counsel or self-represented litigant, you are required to provide an email address so that you can get these notifications by email. When the court staff sends that invitation, you get a hyperlink in the email and you click on that and you proceed with the registration. The other option is by simply going onto this website, ontariocourts.caselines.com, and then you can register there. So you don't need to wait for an invitation. Once counsel is registered in the system, they can then add members of their own firm or staff members to be able to upload further documents. Let's talk about the uploading process. So as I mentioned, court staff will create the case file. That's sort of the top tier folder. And then parties will be creating their folders below that. And then they upload their documents. Over 100 formats are acceptable. So PDF, Word, email, audio, video, all those kinds of files are acceptable. So you simply drag and drop or add your documents to upload. You can add or remove documents. If you have uploaded a document incorrectly, you can remove it and then add a different document. But that can be done until the court staff actually locks the case, which will happen a few days prior to the hearing. At that time, you won't be able to remove or add further documents. But keep in mind that while you can add or remove documents, you cannot amend a document that is already uploaded. So you cannot change any information within the document. When parties upload their documents or make changes, all the parties who have access will get an email notification. And you can also find out about any changes once you're logged in and you click on the bell icon, which is next to your name in the system. This is what the platform looks like when you are signed in and you're you're looking at the bundle of documents. This is the particular page where you can see various documents, and you notice on the right side there are different tabs, and if you wish to upload documents, you click on that tab and you simply upload that document. This is just a screenshot of a video introduced by Thomson Reuters that I've used here to show you as an example. Once the documents are uploaded, the judges need to access those documents, and what court staff will do is they will invite the assigned judge to access those documents. Then judge has the access. He or she can review all documents and prepare in advance of the hearing. And if the judge is going to conduct a virtual hearing, then the judge will simply click on the conference link and that will start the hearing for the parties. When the hearing is ongoing, parties can refer to the documents and case lines, they can make notes, they can mark exhibits, etc. So everything that can be done in a physical hearing can pretty much be done in these virtual hearings, if it is a virtual hearing, either audio or video. This is sort of the documents look like when the judge is reviewing it. On the left side, you will see, as you notice, that there is a list of documents, and these are all expandable lists. So for example, if the judge is looking at orders, the judge will click on that button and it will expand the orders, and the judge can look at a particular document. Also, you can access documents by page numbers. You can search documents by different search terms that you can use, all kinds of things that you can do in electronic searching of documents. For more information on Caselines, you can watch this video that has been uploaded by Caselines. It is about an hour-long video. I've summarized some of the information, but there's a lot of information in that video. By all means, check that out. You should also review the notice to the profession that has been issued by the Ministry of Attorney General. Thank you for watching.